Hi, welcome to our series of WordPress tutorial for beginners. Today, we will show you how to create a category in WordPress and how to create a post in WordPress. So, to create a category, we just come to the tab post and we have categories. We can create a new category, for example. We name the category. Let's name it, for example, digital marketing. And the slug of the category also, we can say digital marketing. Slug is the slug is the URL friendly version of the name. It is usually all the lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. We can say, for example, digital marketing. You see, so this is the system name of this category. So we can select, if you want to assign it a parent category, we can say yes, parent category. We can make it in the category e-commerce, fact, etc. But we make it like a we don't we will not put it in a main category, so it will not be a subcategory but a main category itself. Okay, we can give this a description. All about digital marketing. Simple. And we hit save. Okay, so this category is now here, digital marketing. You have it here, digital marketing. Yeah, okay, digital marketing is here. We can edit it, etc. So let us add new post to digital marketing. We go to post and hit add new. Okay, it is coming, is loading. Okay, so let me open this and grab the title. Okay, how to succeed your Amazon affiliate marketing. So I prepared a post here called how to succeed your Amazon affiliate marketing. So we'll use that in this example. Okay, the title, yes, we put the title, how to succeed your Amazon affiliate marketing. We come here and select a category. You see, because here you have blog and documents. We come to documents and select the category. We select digital marketing. Yes, and here you can put the content of this article. So okay, we just grab this all and copy it. We come and paste it here. Okay, so you see we have it here. The poster is here. When we publish, yes, publish, yes, and preview it. You see, so you have it, how to succeed your Amazon digital marketing. So you see, guys, it is very simple to add post in WordPress. It is not that difficult. WordPress is a very simple system to manage. It is very simple CMS. So if you want to learn WordPress, please follow our guides. We'll do all tutorials in WordPress, etc. User guide and also developer guide. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more information about WordPress and digital marketing, PrestaShop, e-commerce, etc. We'll talk about all these subjects about how different CMSs like PrestaShop, WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. We will also talk about digital marketing, content marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, etc. So please